The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Leeds, England, Casey Drake.
Not since John Cena have we seen a superstar as resilient and perseverant as this one right here.
I could not agree more.
Give me a break. Cena may never give up, but you two never give up when it comes to hyperbole.
And with January upon us, guys, you can bet these superstars would like to get the new year off on the right foot here tonight.
Of course, Michael, but the unfortunate truth is that only one of them will be able to kick the new year off with a win.
Oh, yeah, I like her a lot.
And from Copenhagen, Denmark, the Women's Champion, Samantha.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe. A little off topic here, but with the new year, Corey, have you made any resolutions?
Me? You serious? I'm already perfect the way I am, Cole, but I sure as heck hope that Saxton made a resolution to be slightly less annoying.
And some have speculated that the champion is merely treating this matchup like a tune-up match rather than an actual threat.
Oh, wow. I know this one is not title, but that is definitely not the attitude she should have going into this match.
You're right, Byron. That kind of attitude could end up backfiring on her in the long run.
But then you look into the eyes of the challenger. And even though this isn't a title match, we can all see that this competitor is going to treat it like it is.
It's that hunger, Saxton, that insatiable hunger for gold. If winning the title's the main course, then consider this match the appetizer. Man. Sequence of reversals here. Both superstars clearly studied game tape ahead of time.
And sent right into the corner. Setting them up for
Fisherman Buster.
Goes into the pin. She breaks the count quick.
She's still got a lot of stamina left. Ooh, what a forearm club.
Taking this to the floor.
Carefully measured knee drop.
They've got their opponent's arm.
Vicious knee drop.
And now thrown back into the ring.
Oh, what a right hand! She's calling for it.
Oh, impressive counter. Float over into a DDT. Fight. That offense taking a toll on her. German suplex.
Great officiating as the ref noticed she was on the ropes.
Slingshot!
Re-entering the ring now.
An absolutely foolhardy decision made there.
That can be very costly. Don't know if the risk was worth it. Rear European uppercut. Ooh, what a forearm club. Big blow could be felt throughout the arena.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
As the arm bars stretch in.
Just stretching out the arm.
You have to protect your shoulders from hits like that. You don't want to compromise your ability to throw a punch or lock in a hold.
Uh-oh.
Well-placed punch, ugly, but effective response.
Oh, yeah, she is really getting fired up.
Suicide dive!
Whatever it takes to win.
Had it scouted.
She'll take things into the ring.
Oh, it didn't go as planned there.
Uh-oh.
Harlem sidekick. She's taking a beating here.
Well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be in at this point in the match.
Flying. Diving foot stomp.
Brutal.
She covers for the pin. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
Somehow she's still in this matchup. It's unbelievable. Crafty way to...
Kinshasa. Will it be? Makes the cover. She wins. She wins.
Here is your winner, Casey Drake.
She has plenty to celebrate here tonight.
Every match is special, but this one just raised the bar even higher. I bet the whole locker room was watching.